Okay, so Dr. Aditya, let's proceed ahead with your mock interview for the post of senior medical officer in Coal India Limited, that is a public sector. And
Yes, sir.
you are dentist by profession, and you are
Yes,
going for interview of this particular post. So before me and Radhika,
yes,
Dr.
sir.
Radhika, proceed ahead with your interview, with your mock, I want you to give brief introduction of yours.
Oh, sir, I'm Dr. Aditya Sharma. Currently, I'm staying in Sikar, Rajasthan. I had completed my graduation in Bachelor of Dental Surgery from Rajasthan Dental College, and I had passed out in 2018 and completed my internship in 2019. And currently, I'm practicing in a private hospital as well. I am in the BDS staff as a BDS staff in Rajasthan Dental College only.
Okay, Dr. Aditya, tell me one thing. Since you are you've done your graduation and now you're practicing private hospital,
Yes, sir.
majority of the doctors, majority of dentists, they aspire to have their own clinic, especially after pursuing their masters and all.
Yes, sir.
So you have this kind of vision for you in future to go
Yes,
for some
sir.
kind of, yeah.
Yes, sir. I have the same vision for that. But sir, expecting that, sir, we have only 200 government seats. So, and sir, for master degree, if we are going for private colleges, they are मतलब good private colleges. They have minimum 10 lakh per year fees.
Mhm.
It costs for 30 lakhs in for the masters. And sir,
Okay,
other accommodation also it goes to 40 lakhs something. And so
okay,
it is not possible for middle class family to
okay.
invest like a 40 lakh, and after investing we have to invest more for
Mhm.
opening our clinic. there's no
Okay,
there's not but means that it's not like MBBS only. If you have completed your MBBS and
okay.
you have completed your MD in any clinical branch, and then
Mhm.
after completing just you got the job.
Right.
It's not like for same for MBBS. So that's why expecting that I once I get a job, so that it's secure. First, I just basically I want to secure my job first. Then
Okay.
I'll by side I go for preparation for PG also.
Okay, so Aditya, tell me one thing. What do you know about Coal India Limited?
Sir, Coal India Limited, sir, it is as whatever I have just briefly studied about Coal India, sir. It is a biggest big firm that is producing 81% of coal all over the India.
Mhm.
And sir, mainly, sir, it is basically and it's a Maharatna company.
Mhm.
So basically, only this much I know, and it is basically in the same in the field which I am applying. So they are in the area with the remote area,
Mhm.
not in
Mhm.
the that good
Mhm.
cities. Obviously,
So you know where are the coal field plants? Where are the coal fields?
yeah, sir,
Where you
they
are
are.
supposed to work? Yeah.
Yeah, sir, they are mainly they are in Madhya Pradesh,
Mhm.
Chhattisgarh, and
Mhm.
sir Odisha, and
Mhm.
sir Bilaspur also,
Mhm.
and sir in Bengal, West Bengal also. So majorly they are situated at that place, not
So
this side.
why do you prefer to work in those remote locations instead of your own home state, that is Rajasthan?
Yes, sir. But sir, because sir, I'm trying this because sir, there as you know that it is there is a lot of competition. As I already told you that without being a simple degree means not I had not a master degree. I have a graduation degree.
Mhm.
So for work in the Rajasthan, first I have to complete my master's degree. Then
Mhm.
I have to fight with the those who are currently having the master's degree.
Mhm.
So I prefer that first I go for that only. Then I'll continuously by side I'll practice for my that I'll prepare for my NEET PG also. So if I get a chance, if I get a government job, if I get a government seat at that time, so I'll do the masters, and after completing the masters, sir, I'll provide a better treatment or better treatment for the same field for the means for the same in coal. I have not yet decided that I will complete my graduation. I will left the job. No, sir, not yet.
So
I
okay,
haven't
now
tried.
since if you join Coal India, you will prepare very well and you will get a government seat.
Yes,
We
sir.
hope and we wish you get that. The
Yes, sir.
moment you get government seat, you go for masters,
Yes, sir.
MDS, and
Yes, sir.
that you don't know whether Coal India will be in position to spare you for that particular study period, study leave.
Yes,
So you want to go for the, you have your personal aspirations, you go
yes,
there, and
yes,
after masters, you know, God, you will get multiple opportunities in your own home state. So I
yes, sir.
don't find any reason for you to stick to Coal India and work in the remote
No, sir,
places.
I will stick to the Coal India only because, sir, it is very difficult for a general category students to get a 200. Since I'm trying I'm fighting for the post graduation since when I was in internship, means when I was in 2019. From at that time I started. Once I got sir 9,000 rank. Actually, I'm getting the private colleges, but sir, I haven't. But sir, as the this as the Coal India Limited, sir, they are means they are giving me the best opportunity also, and sir, as well as they are providing me the best packages also. So I think it's because sir, as a graduation, I will, as you know, I can't definitely compete with the those who are currently in the field.
Mhm.
So sir, it's my sir. First, I'll go for this also. It's not my I had not make a mindset. I haven't yet make a mindset that if I'll get a government seat for masters, then I'll go complete it. Then I will complete the master. Then I left the job. No sir, I'll not definitely left the job. I'll go for the Coal India only. It's not more after completing the job, I'll open the clinic in my hometown. No sir, I'll
Okay.
I'll provide the best treatment at CIL only after completing my master.
Okay, Aditya, can you convince us that you are the best suitable candidate for this job?
Yes, sir. I definitely try to convince you, sir. Sir, as I already told you that never, I will never means I'll never switch to after completing my that master degree. I'll never switch to the my hometown. Means that if I get the government seat and if I get the government seat and the CIL gave me permission to complete my masters for 3 years, and they are giving me that if if just you go complete your masters and then come to us, you are always welcome. That some people think that ठीक है मैं यहाँ पे complete कर लेता हूँ और फिर मास्टर्स फिर जैसे मेरी मास्टर्स होगी फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज आई लेफ्ट द CIL. नो सर, दैट आई डेफिनेटली नॉट. I'll giving I this I will this I can give in return also. So that
Okay.
is the that I think that this make me different from others. I'll making the promise of I am making the promise for the future plan on for the
Okay.
future that I'll never switch that for CIL
Okay.
company.
Okay. So Aditya, my last question before Radhika takes over and she asks you something related to your own domain. So what are your hobbies and your interests?
Sir, my interest is playing sir cricket, volleyball, and sir watching movies which can motivate me. And sir like listening the motivational videos of that that Sonu Sharma and Dr. Sandeep Maheshwari. So these
Okay.
are my basically.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay, Radhika, I think you can proceed ahead.
Okay. So, Dr. Aditya, have you practiced for a few years? Like, how
Yes,
many
yes,
years
ma'am.
are there?
I'm not.
You know,
Since ma'am, I've completed my internship, as I already told you, sir, I have completed my internship. In the internship period, I also practicing in the college campus, and after
like
as I
in which
completed
year you completed your internship?
ma'am
In which year
2019 I
you completed your
completed
internship?
October 2019
So,
I had
since
completed.
2019, you are practicing. You are into private practice,
Ye-
right?
yes ma'am, I'm in my practice.
All right. So, what common dental emergencies you encountered in your private practice? Like
Ma'am,
any
as
sort of
the
dental emergency that you have encountered and you have done treatment? Oh,
Yeah, ma'am. The most common dental emergencies are when the patient is when the patient has a decayed tooth, but still they are not consulting to the doctor. Even they are not consulting, they are that ignoring the that ठीक है रहने दो अभी चल रहा है जब तक ये the emergency होगा तब देखेंगे. At that time when they are ignoring the dental treatment, ma'am, at the peak time when they got the pus in the periapical area, they got the periapical area, and after that they after the extraoral swelling came, and then the patient came to us, and then
all right.
then we have to go for ma'am, first we have to go to medication for that antibiotics and painkiller. After as the ma'am infection subside, then we go for RCT. So I'll definitely advise the
All
patient.
right. So how? So how do you decide that it cannot be restored by only filling? It should go for RCTs. Like what all the tests, what all the symptoms
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
signs, and
Oh,
what
yeah,
all.
ma'am. Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. As the infection where just a patient came to us, if the external swelling came, just we give to patient to antibiotics and the painkillers. So first the infection which are present in the periapical area, it should be subside. After that, we go for the intraoral periapical radiograph. After that, if the
All
pulse
right.
is,
So if no external, visible swelling is there, so what all sign and symptoms you can see, or what all test you can, go
yeah,
beside
ma'am.
X-ray?
Yeah, ma'am, we can do, we ask the patient that, we ask for the patient that if then ma'am, we are tapping the tooth. If the patient is telling that मेरे दर्द हो रहा है, on tapping the tooth, we called in the medical term tender on percussion. Means if tender on percussion is present, most probably 90% we got definitely provisional diagnosis. We give that apical periodontitis, and after that we will go for second step. Then we will go for that. Radiograph. By radiograph, we can confirm,
All
but
right.
provisional diagnosis we can give with the tapping the tooth. That is called tender on percussion.
So what do you have, this kit for dental emergency, management, for management of dental emergencies? Do you have a kit in your, clinic?
Yeah,
Any
ma'am.
sort of
Actually,
medications? Yeah.
yeah, not yet, ma'am. The in India, ma'am, there is no emergency kit in available in any kind of dental clinics, ma'am. In hospital, they are available, ma'am. Not not every clinic, but ma'am, we can for medical emergency, what for dental emergency, mainly patient can, while injecting the local anesthesia, patient can go for syncope. So we are expecting that patient to ask the patient that he or she should not be empty stomach while taking the local anesthesia. If after that she also, if after she or he can get us in syncope also, when we ask the patient to raise the leg so that the blood, so that the flow of the blood can go to the brain and we can prevent this. And
All
when
right.
in the
All right.
severe condition, ma'am, we ask the patient to head down so that the so that the ma'am, blood flow to the head due to gravity then come to the brain and the oxygen level.
What if patient gets a myocardial infarction in your clinic? Then if you don't have any sort of, dental emergency kit
Ma'am, we ask,
in your clinic, then what will you do? Then you will refer the patient and meanwhile he'll collapse.
no, ma'am, we first
What
we
will you
will.
do? How will you manage?
Yeah, ma'am. First we will ask the patient that if he or she had a cardiac problem or not. If he or she said that yes, you have it, just yes, we have some kind of problem with that. Then when we go for the history, then we ask for the physician. And ma'am, if that also, then we give ma'am, for before the treatment we are giving antibiotics 1 hour before the 1 hour before procedure. We give the
All
antibiotics.
right. All right. All right.
Ma'am, prevention is
So,
better than cure. Yeah,
sure, sure. Of course. So, any sort of management you can suggest for mandibular dislocation? If
or
a
mandibular
patient
blood
comes
is,
to you that during yawning, she just suffered from the dislocation of mandible.
yeah, ma'am.
Commonly, you'll see those problems.
Yeah,
Then
ma'am.
when patient
Commonly,
says that I'm not able, yeah, so clicking sound is there or something. So how will you manage that patient?
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, there are multiple managements basis on the acute TMJ dislocation, chronic TMJ location. Ma'am, for acute TMJ location, it is due to the apple bite or due to yawning. Ma'am,
Yeah.
this occur, if this occur, then we manage this patient by, ma'am, putting our thumb in thumb putting our thumb in the molar region, mandibular molar region, and
Mm-hmm.
our fingers at the ramus area. Then we will create a movement that is downward, backward, and upward, so that the condyle can get its original position, that is in glenoid fossa. And if ma'am,
Okay. Okay.
patient is telling us for the chronic, then we will go for multiple surgical approaches also. That is, we can tie the condyle with the zygomatic arch, or we can create a that मतलब मैम एक stop बना देंगे at the articular eminence, ताकि
Mm-hmm.
articular will not come out to the, not will extend to its limit out the that articular eminence. Then there are
Okay.
multiple management for surgical management, and chronic management are treated as surgical only.
All right. we were talking about RCTs. So have you done any RCT
Yes.
for pediatric patient?
No, not yet, ma'am. I haven't done for. I had
Okay,
filmed
so
for.
you must have read about the pediatric RCTs. So how you obturate the pediatric tooth, like primary tooth?
Ma'am,
What
primary.
materials do you use in obturation?
Ma'am, it is depend on that, ma'am, whether the apex is closed or not. If the apex is closed, or if apex is not closed, we have to make a, we have to close that apex first. That is known as apexification. Or ma'am, or if the apex is closed, ma'am, that is depend on the age of the patient. Age
Okay,
of the,
so what all materials
calcium
can you use
hydroxide,
for
ma'am,
obturation?
calcium hydroxide we can use, zinc oxide, eugenol, ma'am, calcium hydroxide make a bridge which collect the calcium from the
Okay,
blood.
what about gutta percha?
Yeah, ma'am, gutta percha, ma'am, gutta percha is the obturating material. Basically, it contains ZNO, zinc oxide, gutta percha, and ma'am, thymol as a
So
fungicide.
can we use gutta percha in pediatric cases also?
No, yes, ma'am, we can use gutta
Oh,
percha.
okay. Management of dry socket, can you tell me?
Management of
Like,
dry
because
socket.
it is very
Yeah,
common,
yeah,
you'll
ma'am.
encounter dry
Yeah, ma'am,
socket.
definitely, ma'am.
Whenever you'll extract third molar, you'll
Yeah, ma'am.
encounter dry
Yes, ma'am.
socket. So how will you manage
Ma'am,
patient? How will you pacify a patient? How will you calm
yeah,
down the
ma'am.
patient that it is normal? So
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I want to tell you that dry socket is mainly due to अगर traumatic extraction. अगर मैम trauma extraction करते टाइम जैसे trauma हुआ है तो मैम उसका management है. We can use जैसे ही वो socket dry socket हो चुका है patient को, we can use a burr, or we can use burr to create a intentional मैम bleeding point. मैम उससे bleeding point बना देंगे अपन, तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे
okay,
ब्लीडिंग हो गई. और मैम अपन मैम सेलाइन और पोविडोन आयोडीन का सॉल्यूशन मिला के वहाँ पे अपन वहाँ से उसको क्लियर भी कर सकते हैं. मैम थर्ड पॉइंट दैट मैम वी कैन गिव ड्रेसिंग ऑफ जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनॉल आल्सो. मैम दीज आर द बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट फॉर ड्राई सॉकेट.
okay. How can you differentiate between normal ulcer and like aphthous ulcer
या
and
मैम,
oral cancer?
या मैम ओरल
It
कैंसर
is
एंड
ulcer of because of yeah, oral cancer. How can
या
you
मैम,
differentiate?
yeah मैम, there are मैम mainly they are we mainly the when we get these type of problems we are going for biopsy. But as we know that traumatic ulcer mainly will turn into that cancer only. If aphthous ulcer we the basically aphthous ulcer we found with which are at the center they are white, and the at the margins are erythematous. Mainly the aphthous ulcer, mainly the classical condition of the aphthous ulcer are they are mainly halo white means from the center, and erythematous from the that margins. Their margins are erythematous. As we go from the traumatic ulcer, as a traumatic ulcer can be ma'am diffuse, ma'am painful, ma'am aphthous ulcer may not be painful also. Or
All
ma'am
right, all right.
basically ma'am
So that
yes ma'am.
that's fine for me. That's okay. Okay, so that's all
Okay.
right, Dr. Aditya.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Dr. Radhika, I think we can give him feedback now. So from your side.
So I think we need to focus more on the management side. He needs to read about management, more about management, because practically and theoretically, dental practice is quite different.
Hmm.
So I think there are few mistakes, or you can say a vague answer in regard to management. So you need to be very specific. Just one line answer, but it should be the accurate one. Patient comes to you, you need to straight away think like this is the problem and I need to go for this treatment. That is it. You cannot give a theoretical answer in case of management. You can give the theoretical answer if I ask what is this, what is that, but you cannot give the theoretical answer. So I think he needs to work more on the management side, because mostly in the interviews, when you are going for some sort of interview in dental practice, they'll ask more about practical side, because they want to see your skills, how you're going to perform practically. So
Okay.
I think he need to work on that.
Anything you want to ask, Aditya, from Dr. Radhika?
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, basically, ma'am, other than the management, you want to guide me something that we am about that man that
यहाँ जैसे अभी मैंने आपसे पूछा था, मैं आपको ऐसा होता है कि जो इंटरव्यूअर होता है, he just takes you to the point where he wants to give you some hints. I was giving you hint about the gata parcha example. I'm just quoting it. So gata parcha cannot be used in pediatrics. I was pointing it out, so you need to be get alarmed at that point. If somebody is giving you some sort of words in your mouth, then something is wrong with it, or something he want to hit on, right?
Okay.
So you need to learn this point, because many a times interview is more than more a mental game rather than a knowledge based game.
And
So
one more
I
thing,
think
ma'am,
Dr. Vijender can guide you very well in that.
No, ma'am,
Am I
one more
right,
thing I
Dr.
want to
Vijender?
ask.
Yeah, Radhika, that is, I'll be giving him feedback.
Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask from you.
Yeah.
मैम जैसे आपने पूछा कि ड्राई सॉकेट का मैनेजमेंट क्या है, तो मैंने मैम 3 मैनेजमेंट बताए, तो मैम शुड आई विल मतलब एक ही बताना है मेरे को या तीनों बता सकता हूँ मैं, क्यों तीनों मैनेजमेंट है?
No, you can quote it like that. Ki, sir, we have 3 and 4 ways. Firstly, we need to calm down the patient. Then that it is very common. You need not to panic, because most of the patient they panic. You need to start like that.
Okay, ma'am.
आपको patient you need to give answer that should be patient oriented, right? Because in dentistry, rapport between a patient and a doctor is must.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you need to have more than one sitting for
Yes,
most of the treatments.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
rapport should be built between then so you should start answer like that. I need to calm down the patient. I need to tell him it is very common. Don't panic. It's gonna subside in few days.
Okay.
So start your answer like that with the confidence. I mean, you should have confidence in your voice, whether you are right or wrong, but confidence was lacking. So you are having knowledge, theoretical knowledge. So you just, and so if somebody asks you whether you have done this thing or not, you can say that I have done these case. I have not done these cases, but I have seen these cases.
Okay, ma'am.
During my internship or during my practice, I have seen my senior, I have seen this case, like that. Because you know theoretically what is going to be the answer, but you have not done practically. So you can say like that I have seen this case.
Okay.
I have seen those cases, because trigeminal neuralgia and all that stuff you might have not encountered, because you don't have a long journey of practice, right? It's
Yes,
just 2 years practice.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you may not have encountered such cases, but you can say that I have seen those cases
Okay.
in my college or something, because you know the management. You can tell the management if they ask you,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thanks a lot, Dr. Radhika. I think I should proceed now. I should give him feedback. So Aditya, you know, I find your answer, like why you want to join Coal India, a little vague. You know,
Okay.
don't tell them about your vision that I want to join Coal India to prepare for this particular exam, and once you get this exam, you will open your clinic. Don't say that. See,
Okay.
best answer will be, obviously they'll try to prod you. They will try to know that with what intention you are joining Coal India, especially all the way from Rajasthan to the remote areas of Coal India. So, you know, as a dentist, it's a very good place. You go with your books and prepare for MDS, get into MDS and leave Coal India Limited. That's all that way. But you say that, sir, you know, I find the jobs, the Coal India is a Maharatna, and try to see what is the meaning of Maharatna, Mini Ratna, Navaratna, these little bit status. You say this is a financial status, sir. I don't know much about this, but that simply means some kind of financial and administrative autonomy given to these companies, public sectors. And what is public sector? How it is different from government? Government is 100% government. Public sector is having ownership of government, right? So Coal India is a very big organization. To associate yourself as a senior medical officer with such organization is a matter of reputation for you. That is how you justify. And then you say, sir, for me, I think I want to lead a lot because of my family obligations and all. I want, as of now, I want a job. And I'm very sure as and when Coal India will give me opportunity, I'll go for higher education. And in the domain in which Coal India would like me to proceed, I'll go for specialization. And I'm looking for my career in the Coal India Limited. You know, that way you say कि जब भी चांस मिलेगा तब मैं करूंगा जब कोल इंडिया चाहेगा. Don't say कि मैं करना चाहता हूं. So you put this responsibility on Coal India itself. भाई मेरे को अभी नौकरी चाहिए, मेरे को कोल इंडिया की जॉब बेस्ट है, पब्लिक सेक्टर है, बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, हेल्दी लाइफ बैलेंस बनता है, क्लिनिक के अपने टेंशन होती हैं सर, मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्लिनिक चला रहे हैं तो अलग टाइप की टेंशन हैं उनमें, नो डाउट क्लिनिक भी किया जा सकता है, बट आई एम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू डू जॉब एंड आल्सो रिलैक्स एंड एंजॉय. I have my own work life balance I want to maintain. and I believe Coal India is going to give me that particular opportunity. And
Definitely.
I'm looking for a public sector where I want to retire from it. So I'm looking for retirement, sir. I'm not looking for short term joining of the job. This way you tell them, right? बोलने का तरीका अलग है. जैसे मैंने पूछा तुम स्टार्ट हो गया, मेरे को एमडीएस करना है, कंपटीशन बहुत है, 200 सीट हैं, वो सारी बात स्टार्ट कर दी है तुमने. बोलो ही मत उसके बारे में.
Okay,
ऐसा
sir.
लगना नहीं चाहिए मेरे को कि तुमने असेसमेंट करके आए हो. तुम ये बोलो सर मैंने क्लीनिंग, मैंने जॉब किया प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में, जॉब बहुत अच्छा है, लर्न करने को बहुत मिल रहा है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं सर वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एक गड़बड़ाता है. और नंबर 2, पब्लिक सेक्टर इज पब्लिक सेक्टर सर, रेपुटेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, स्टेबिलिटी, जॉब स्टेबिलिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वो चीज के लिए मैं कोल इंडिया ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ,
ठीक है.
राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई आदित्य, दैट्स इट.
Okay,
वो
sir.
एक ही क्वेश्चन तुमसे पूछेगा, नथिंग एल्स, कि तुम स्टेबिलिटी दे सकते हो कि नहीं. बाकी ऑब्वियसली डॉक्टर राधिका हैज गिवन यू द डिटेल फीडबैक, राइट? ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर टुमारो.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Radhika. Thank you, Dr. Aditya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.